Welcome, today I am with Realme C31 and I want to show you how to use Camera Pro Mode. So to enter Camera Pro Mode, you have to open your camera application, click on the More tab and select Pro Mode. Just like that. As you can see right now, we can find in this place the list of the parameters that we can adjust manually and automatically. So let me show you how to make it. As you can see right now, we can find EV, its exposure compensation, so we can adjust it by moving our finger like that. So we can change brightness level on your photo. The next one is a shutter speed. As you can see right here, you can go through all of these presets. That's the maximum value that you can find. And also we can make it automatically by select auto. Another one is the focus. So take a look. As you can see on the 20, it's out of the focus. So it means that right now when you put something close to our camera, it will be in the focus just like that. But when you put it like that, it will be out of the focus. So that's the focus range. That's how we can set it up. Right now we can focus on the for example 80 value, and right now when I hold this pilot right here, this remote, it's on the focus, but when I'm gonna put it a little bit closer to the camera, right now it's out of the focus. So we can basically just set the focus manually and also automatically. So right now, take a look. As you can see right now, it's always in the focus. Easy, simple as that. Okay, the next one is ISO, and also you can just move the slider. That's the white balance. In the white balance we can find like 3 presets, but also I'm sorry, that's actually 4 presets. Yeah, so that's the 4 presets. And automatically auto balance, there's no slider, and there's also another option, that's the contrast and the saturation. Okay, so as you can see, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.